I'm back at my favorite spot, junkyard. Gonna pick that fender for the Lancer, head back and change it. I have a customer who contacted me about replacing this fender. It looks like something is bent here. Let's take a look. This is fine. The headlights bracket is broken. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take the fender out, and then we take it from there, I guess. I brought this part with the fender. It's broken. Yeah. Where is the last one? Where is it hiding? Yeah, that thing is bent, so you're gonna have to push it from the front somehow. You gotta push it from here. Nice to put that in there. There we go. That's the damage bar off. This one was bent, so you gotta push this back. Not this one, sorry. It's this one right here. You gotta push it back. This one is good. This one is good. This one is bent a little bit. Just pull it back here. This one is good. It's good. This one is pushed back. Maybe I can just lift the whole thing up. It's back straight now. When we put the fender back, we'll see. Of course, I fixed the bumper temporarily until we find another bumper. But for now, fender sits very nice, very flush with the door. Luckily, I found the same color. Let's see how it closes with this one. Yep, good to go. Car is drivable. They couldn't drive the car because they couldn't open the door. And just like that, with a very little time, you can change the fender. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.